Click on the link below to get price. The HP27 monitor is an impressive display that combines vibrant visuals with a sleek design, making it a fantastic choice for both casual users and professionals alike. With a 27-inch screen size, this monitor offers ample real estate for multitasking or enjoying multimedia content. The IPS panel shines with a resolution of 1920 by 1080, delivering sharp images and excellent color accuracy. Whether you're working on graphic design, gaming, or binge-watching your favorite shows, the colors pop with richness and clarity. One standout feature is the 100Hz refresh rate, which provides a smoother experience compared to traditional 60Hz monitors. This is particularly noticeable in fast-paced gaming scenarios, where every frame counts. The responsiveness of the display enhances overall gameplay, making it a worthy investment for gamers looking to elevate their performance. Another highlight is the built-in dual 2W speakers. While they may not rival high-end external speakers, they offer decent sound quality for everyday tasks, eliminating the need for additional audio devices for casual use. This feature is perfect for those who value convenience without compromising too much on audio quality. The monitor's design is both modern and functional. The slim bezels create an immersive viewing experience, making it ideal for a multi-monitor setup. Additionally, adjustable height and tilt offer flexibility to find the most comfortable viewing angle, which is crucial during long work or gaming sessions. One minor drawback is the lack of advanced connectivity options, as it primarily features HDMI and VGA ports. However, this should suffice for most users. Overall, the HP27 monitor with dual 2W speakers is a well-rounded display that blends performance, aesthetics, and usability. It's a solid choice for anyone seeking a versatile monitor that can handle a variety of tasks with ease, making it a worthy replacement for the M27fwa.